So, hello everyone. Myself, Sudhanshu Kumar, pursuing Master in Chemistry from IIT Indore. And so now in this session, we are going to talk about Department of Chemistry, IIT Madras. As you all know that IIT Madras is the top institute uh, in our country, India, and of course, it is developing so much fastly in the world also, right? So we'll talk about all the rankings, all the facilities, all the research facilities, all the labs and departments in very much detail uh, after some times. Okay, so this is the IIT Madras campus view. You can see that. So how much is beautiful the infrastructure, because it is a very old IIT, as you all know that. So IIT Madras is the IIT Madras, of course. So it's the top institute of India, either in the engineering or either in the field of research work. Anyone like IIT Madras is at the top. I think four or fifth times, चार या पांच बार से टॉप पे आ रहा है IIT Madras. So of course it's a very good institution. Those who wants to pursue their career in this field, research. Okay. So, and the second thing is IIT Madras, the campus, little bit more about wildlife sanctuary type. Okay, you will also get to see deers and monkeys, peacock in the campus. Okay, very openly. Okay, so even even many times monkeys and all enter in the hostel's room. So that's also a beauty of the campus. Okay, and you will also see deers in the campus here and there, so much beautiful scene in the IIT Madras campus. It's a overall development, all the habitats, all the wildlife type means deer and all some animals monkeys, peacock. These are you can see everywhere in the campus. Okay, right? So coming to talk about the ranking of this IIT Madras. In the QS World University ranking, the ranking is at 250. Okay, that's a very good ranking. If you see, if you see the more institute from the abroad, so IIT Madras is doing very well. So its ranking is approx 250. Okay, and because this is a very old IIT, as you can see here, this campus is established in the 1959, and it's having a 620 acres of campus. It's a very huge area. And if we talk about the IIT Indore, so the campus area is 550 to 560 acres. But in this case of IIT Madras, so it's having a 620 acre camp and totally green campus, green and lush campus, like a very greenery, and you will see also wildlife habitat also, so that's another plus point beauty in the campus. Okay, like in the IIT Guwahati, but in the IIT Guwahati you will not find any deer, you will not find any peacock. Okay, as in the IIT Madras. Okay, so if we talk about the NIRF ranking, so as you all know that IIT Madras काफ़ी टाइम से काफ़ी सालों से हमेशा टॉप पे आती रही है, and ranking is a one in the NIRF ranking, right? And if we talk about Nature Index for the chemistry department, so its rank is the seventh rank. That's a very good rank in the perspective of department. Okay, in India, and it's having a highly modern infrastructure because I want to tell you, like IIT Madras making a new hostels. Uh, uh, Already they have developed so much new hostels in the IIT Madras, right? So having a modern infrastructure. Okay, like in the IIT Indore or other new IIT. So in the comparison of an old IIT, if we talk about in the hostels, in the rooms, so I think the rooms facility, the hostel facility is much more advanced in the newer IIT in the comparison of old IIT. But but the older IITs are now they are developing new hostels. Okay, So that's the advantage of the IIT Madras. So because it is a old campus, but they are developing a new hostel, so much hostels. Okay. So now clean and high security, of course, it's a top institute of the country. So security is must, and here single room for every students. I think. Okay, sorry, I forget to mention this point. So I have not confirmed this like a single room for every student. So I will confirm, and I will write down in the comment box. Okay, about this point. But most probably, I think in the second year you will get single room. But in the first year you have to live in the shared room. Okay, but I will confirm you. Okay, in the comment box. Okay, after this video. So now coming to the IIT JAM Chemistry 2023 ranking, cutoff of the IIT JAM. So the cutoff is 20.51 for the general category and the 18.46 for the general EWS and the OBC MCL, and for the SC, ST, PWD the cutoff is 10.26. So please don't forget to subscribe our channel Chemistry Portal. So please like, share and subscribe to your friends, those who are really in need of this video, because the counseling is going on, so you all know that. So everyone is worried about which IIT I will get, which facilities which facility is there in the IIT, which IIT good in terms of research, in terms of placement, in terms of fee structure, which IIT is more affordable. So we'll talk and we'll cover all the IITs in this session. Already we have uploaded 4 videos on the different IITs. So please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel Chemistry Portal. And so yeah, so thanks you and thank you so much all. You are showing such great support and great love. So now we are talking about, so these are the cutoff for the various category. Now if you see for the IIT Madras, if you are from the general category and if you are belonging to this range like a 42 to 238, then you can expect the IIT Madras. Okay, and if you from general EWS and if your rank is approximately 265 to 337, then you can expect IIT Madras. And if you from OBC MCL and then your rank belongs to this range like a 293 to 675, then you can then you have a chance to get the IIT Madras. Okay, this is not like a hard and fast rule. Okay, this is much more like a plus minus तो होता ही रहता है. Okay, this is not a very absolute value. Okay, so but at least you can hope, at least you can expect. Now for the SC category, the cutoff if you rank in this range 379 to 1449, so then you can expect IIT Madras. So now we will talk about in much very detail about the chemistry department of IIT Madras. So this is the chemistry department of the IIT Madras. This is the overview of this building, main department of chemistry department. And if we talk about the professors, so there are 27 professors, 3 associate professors, 5 assistant professors, and total having a 35 faculty, and that's a very huge number. Okay, huge number. 35 faculty in a single department, that's a very huge number. Okay, that's a very good ratio between the students and the faculty also. Okay, I think in the IIT Madras, for a student in the MSc Chemistry department, there is 60 students. Okay, maximum intake of a student is 60 students in the chemistry department. So approximately 60 students, 35 faculty. You can see the ratio. That's a very good ratio. Okay. So these are some faculties. You can see. You can take a screenshot also if you want. So these are the faculties of the IIT Madras. And now we are talking about the syllabus. In the syllabus, which chapters, which concepts you have to study during your master when you pursue in the IIT Madras. So if you talk about syllabus, you can see here, or you can take a screenshot also, and these are all readily available on the internet. So you can go on IIT Madras website and you can download even it. Okay, so now I'm not going so much detail. You can see that chapter's name here written: semester 3, semester 4, semester 2, semester 1. So this is very easy to find, like which chapter will be you are going to study in the different semesters. Okay, and here also, like in the IT Madras, so we have first sem and second sem, both like coursework. Okay, and some lab work also. Okay, after the coursework, but in the third sem and fourth sem you have to do your project work and your coursework also, like simultaneously. But in the IT Indore, but there is IT Indore is only IIT which have third semester and fourth semester, which have only lab work, only project work, ओनली प्रोजेक्ट वर्क, नो कोर्स वर्क, कुछ नहीं पढ़ना आपको थर्ड सेमेस्टर फोर्थ सेमेस्टर में, कुछ नहीं पढ़ना है अगर आप IT इंदौर में हो तो। बट इसके अलावा जितने सारे भी IT हैं उन सारे में क्या है, कोर्स वर्क भी है, पढ़ना भी है, क्लास भी जाना है, ऊपर से आपको फिर आपको लैब भी जा करके काम करना है, राइट। देयर इज नो फिक्स टाइमिंग, ओके, to go to lab, right? So now we will talk about the research facility, and till now, if you have not subscribed our channel Chemistry Portal, then please subscribe our channel Chemistry Portal, and please like, share and subscribe to get all the information regarding all the IITs. Okay, so now we talk about the research facility in the IIT Madras. So you can see here there are lots of instruments, because it is a top institute of our country. Of course, all the instruments are available here, like a spectrometer, chemisorption, thermal analyzer, high resolution NMR. You can see that I think 400 megahertz Bruker NMR. So this is the single crystal XRD machines and porosimeter, and there are more instruments like a CHN analyzer, powder XRD, MALDI also. Okay, in many new IT there is no MALDI, but in the old IT you will get MALDI also. MALDI is basically used to measure the mass of the higher molecular weight of the compound. Okay, this is the Raman spectro, this is the HRQ TOF mass spectrometer, atomic force, AFM. Okay, I hope you know the AFM. Those who are doing PhD or those who are doing a master in the IITs or NIT, they will know AFM. What is AFM? Okay, what is AFM? What is ASM? Okay. Now coming to talk about the seat matrix in the IIT Madras. So if you are from chemistry department, there is total number of seats is 67 seats is total. Okay, 67 seats in the chemistry department. And in the math department there is 49 seats, and in the physics department in the 54 seats. Till now I have observed in all the IITs, I think chemistry department has the most सबसे ज़्यादा सीट्स होती है केमिस्ट्री डिपार्टमेंट में ही होती है इन द कंपेरिजन द मैथ एंड फिजिक्स. ओके, आई हैव सीन द IIT Guwahati also, I have seen the IIT Hyderabad also, in the Indore itself, in the Gandhinagar itself. Like chemistry department has so much seats in the comparison of math and physics. I don't know why, but this is truth. Okay, and if we talk about the fees of the IIT Madras, like fooding, lodging, रहना, खाना, पीना, पढ़ना, सब कुछ लेकर के जो फीस होगा वो तुम्हारा हो जाएगा 1.5 लाख फॉर 2 years. ओके, 1.5 lakh for 2 years, and you are doing a master from very great institute IIT Madras. इतनी कम फीस में, like very so much good. Okay, right. Now coming to the workload क्या रहेगा IIT Madras में? So coming to the workload, so in the first sem, second sem, you are having a coursework, okay, and also 3 to 4 hour lab work also along with the coursework. Okay, understood. But when you go in the third sem and fourth sem, then you are having a coursework also, dedicated coursework, like you have to choose a elective coursework, and you have to take also lab work, that is a mandatory lab work. This is the main important thing. Okay, suppose your coursework is like 9 to 11 a.m. class is your coursework, right? Then after the 11 a.m, then you have to go to the lab. Okay, and lab में जाने के बाद क्या होगा, लैब से आने के बाद आप आओगे 7 बजे, 8 बजे, 6 बजे या 9 बजे भी इवन, या 10 10 बजे भी इवन आप आ सकते हो लैब से, आप अपने रूम पे आओगे। सो दैट्स हाउ द आई टी इज लाइक अ हेक्टिक, बट व्हेन यू, जब आप यहाँ से बाहर निकलोगे आई टी से मास्टर करके, देन यू विल थिंक दैट जो हमने प्रेशर वहाँ हमने झेला है, जो हमने प्रेशर को हमने रियलाइज़ किया है, उससे ज़्यादा अगर कहीं भी प्रेशर आपको नहीं मिलेगा, ठीक है। देन यू विल फील ऑल ईजी वर्क लाइक व्हेन यू कम आउट फ्रॉम द आईआईटीज, ओके। फिर आपको लगेगा कि कोई भी काम दे दो, फिर आपको सारा चीज़ आपका आपको फिर ईजी लगेगा, हल्का लगेगा, बिकॉज यू हैव डन सो मच हार्ड वर्क इन द थर्ड सेम एंड फोर्थ सेम। दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट सेमेस्टर, थर्ड सेम एंड फोर्थ सेम, because you have to go in the lab, you have to spend time in the lab for like 8 to 10 hours even. Understood? Now if we talk about the hecticity order, like which lab is more hectic if you take in the third sem and fourth sem, of course there is the organic chemistry is more hectic because it includes column chromatography, liquid column chromatography, okay. You have to do rota column, you have to dry the solvents, like all these items like much more hectic in the organic chemistry, okay, understood. Then inorganic chemistry, then physical chemistry is less hectic in comparison of organic and also inorganic. So like those students who only wants to crack the competitive exam like bar, gate, or like some more government exam, then I think from my point of view you should have to take a physical, okay, physical lab in the third sem or fourth sem. But I am not saying that you have to take physical forcefully, no. If you have interest in the organic, rather than you have to prepare for the government exam, or you want to crack the CSA or NET or GATE, then of course take organic if you have a more interest, understood. But if you have like no such kind of interest in all the three subjects, like there is a medium balance of interest in you, then you can choose physical. If you want to go for the like job perspective, to do a preparation for the government exam like bar and GATE and all, okay, then the physical will be more helpful for you, because अगर आप ऑर्गेनिक की लैब लोगे तो क्या होगा, क्लास जाओगे सुबह 9 से 11 आप क्लास जाओगे, ठीक है, 9 से 11 आपकी क्लासेस होंगी, सुबह में कोर्स वर्क हो चलेगा, कोर्स वर्क, एंड आफ्टर दैट जैसे ही ख़त्म हुआ क्लास 11 बजे आपको जाना है लैब में जाओगे आप, क्या होगा, लैब में जाओगे, एंड इफ़ योर लैब इज़ ऑर्गेनिक, क्या होगा, कॉलम, रोटा, NMR, IR सब कुछ करना पड़ेगा. मेन थिंग इज द हेक्टिक इन द organic chemistry lab is column chromatography. Column needs more patience. If you have patience, then you can do column very like efficiently. Okay. And column में क्या है, फिजिकल वर्क भी ज़्यादा है. फिजिकल वर्क यू हैव टू स्टैंड, आपको रहना पड़ेगा, खड़ा रहना पड़ेगा 4 घंटे 5 घंटे. You have to monitor the column chromatography very strictly, so that you will not get a mixture of compounds. Because you all know that why do we column? Of course, we need to separate the compounds. We need to separate the compounds from the mixture of compounds. That's why we do the column chromatography in the organic lab. Understood? So that's why the organic lab is more hectic, because in the organic lab there is a mental work तो होता ही होता है, but physical work भी आपका ज़्यादा रहेगा. लाइक हाथ पैर चलाना, मतलब इधर से उधर थोड़ा भागना, कॉलम करना, रोटा करना, बार बार इधर से उधर. सो इन दैट केस यू विल गेट टायर्ड, एंड इफ यू गो आफ्टर लैब टू योर रूम, then you will get totally exhausted, and then you will have not so much energy to do preparation of a GATE or NET or such a bar or something exam. Understood? But the IITians are meant to face all the pressures, okay? And that's why even mostly IITians will qualify the GATE and NET exam during their master. Okay, they not take gap. Mostly in the case, generally. This is why, because they are being trained to work hard. Okay, that's why we are special. Understood? So you have to work hard. Okay, if you have to crack the exam also, competitive exam also, you have to give at least 1 or 2 hours daily, or even in the last of the exam, like before 1 week or 2 weeks, that's also sufficient if you are reading continuously. Okay, that's no issue. Okay, so this is the technicity order of this lab. So you can see that. Okay, so now we will talk about placements. So that's the most important thing, placement. आईटी मद्रास का प्लेसमेंट क्या सीन है? क्या एमएससी वाले बंदे प्लेसमेंट ले सकते हैं नहीं ले सकते हैं? क्या एमएससी वाले बंदे 8 लाख 9 लाख 10 लाख के पैकेज ले सकते हैं नहीं ले सकते हैं? ऐसा सच है क्या? यस, ट्रुथ, ऐसा सच है। एमएससी वाले प्लेसमेंट फोड़ते हैं और फोड़ा भी है, हमने भी फोड़ा है, बहुत लोगों ने फोड़ा है आईटी में। ओके, सो in this year, IIT Madras, Akash Institute, Narayana Institute, PW come, and Manav Rathi classes come, FIDSI come, Sri Chaitanya come, Allen Career Institutes come. All this, and even that, इसके अलावा more pharma company भी आई हैं, pharma company also came to the IIT Madras. Okay, so placement scenario is very very good in the IIT Madras and also in all the IIT also. अब पहली वाली बात नहीं रही, अब क्या होता है आईआईटी में एमएससी में भी प्लेसमेंट होती है, जिन्हें इंटरेस्ट है वो जाते हैं। अब की बात हो रही है। अब पहले जैसी बात नहीं रही कि ओनली बीटेक विल गो फॉर प्लेसमेंट या फिर ओनली एमटेक विल गो फॉर प्लेसमेंट। नो, नाउ MSc peoples, MSc guys are also cracking the placement with a very very good package, 10 lakh package, 9 lakh package. That's a very also good for the freshers. Understood? So that's the placement of IIT Madras. Okay. So I hope I have cleared all the doubts regarding the IIT Madras chemistry department and all the things. And if you have still any doubt, then you can write in the comment box and I will try to give reply to all the questions. And please make sure that you have subscribed our channel, Chemistry Portal. So thank you so much guys. Till now we have 7,100 plus subscribers we have reached, and this is not possible because of you. Thanks so much for showing such love and support to Chemistry Portal, and I will help करता रहूँगा in the counseling or in the preparation of IIT JEE chemistry exam or IIT JAM chemistry exam, especially in the organic chemistry, because my specialization is the organic chemistry. Okay, so you can see this is how the beautiful is the IIT Madras. This is basically a research park of the IIT Madras. This is very very big infrastructure they have made in the IIT Madras. That's a very very awesome building, awesome infra in the IIT Madras. That is the research park. So please subscribe our channel Chemistry Portal, and thank you so much guys. Thanks a lot.